Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a detailed guide on how to sign up for OKX, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Plus, we'll show you how to maximize your benefits using the referral code HH368. Let's get started. OKX is a comprehensive platform offering a range of trading options, from spot trading to futures. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, OKX has features to suit everyone. But first, let's talk about how to get started. Creating an account on OKX is simple. Head over to their website and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email, phone number, or social accounts like Google, Apple, or Telegram. 1. Enter your email address and set a strong password. 2. Look for a field labeled Referral Code and enter HH368 to unlock special benefits. 2. Click Sign Up and you'll receive a verification email. 4. Open the email and click the verification link to verify your account. To enhance security and unlock more features, complete the verification process by providing a photo ID and a selfie. This will increase your withdrawal limits and allow you to participate in all trading options. By using the referral code HH368 during registration, you can unlock exclusive bonuses. Here's how. Enter the referral code HH368 during the sign-up process. Enjoy benefits like reduced trading fees and special sign-up bonuses. OKX offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. Here's a quick overview. Sign up. Bonus. Get up to $30 USDT just for signing up. Deposit bonus. Deposit a certain amount to receive bonuses up to 5,000 USDT. Trading. Bonus. Complete trading tasks to earn additional rewards. For example, depositing $100 can earn you $10 in free BTC, while higher deposits and trading volumes can yield even bigger rewards. OKX provides a variety of trading options. Spot trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. Margin trading. Borrow funds to trade, amplifying your gains or losses with leverage up to 10x. Futures. Trading. Speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 100x. The platform is user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your trades on the go. The app includes all the features of the desktop version, so you can trade anytime, anywhere. OKX boasts an extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies, with over 700 different coins available for trading. This includes major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, as well as a wide array of altcoins. With numerous trading pairs, you'll have plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. Now, let's talk about fees. OKX offers competitive trading fees, starting at 0.08% per transaction for spot trading and 0.02% maker and 0.05% taker for futures trading. Holding OKX's native token, OKB, can significantly reduce these fees. Additionally, using the referral code HH368 can help you unlock special bonuses and reduce trading costs. Depositing and withdrawing funds on OKX is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly into your OKX account. For fiat deposits, OKX supports several payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and bank transfers through third-party providers like Banxa, Simplex, and MoonPay. Withdrawal fees are competitive and vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Security is a top priority at OKX. The platform uses bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. Additionally, OKX offers several user-side security settings, such as anti-phishing, login safety phrases, and fund passwords. These features help ensure that your funds and personal information are secure. OKX provides robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries promptly, ensuring that traders can get the help they need when they need it. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using OKX. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts for OKB holders, advanced trading features like margin and futures trading, strong security measures. Cons: not available to U.S. customers, mixed user reviews on customer support and withdrawal issues. OKX offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code HH368 when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on OKX today using the referral code HH368 and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.